Do you ever feel like your interview answers don't truly showcase your potential? Maybe you have found yourself saying things like, I am a quick learner, I can work with others, I stay calm under pressure, I make good decisions. These statements are okay, but they don't really grab the interviewer's attention, especially if you're a fresher looking for your first job. Instead, using the right words can make you sound more professional, confident, and capable. Welcome to Happy Professional Training. Even if you don't have job experience yet, I will show you how to use these words by relating them to your college projects, internships, and academic experiences. Let's get started. First word is adaptable. Instead of saying I adjust well, say I am adaptable. Adaptability means being able to handle change, learn quickly, and adjust to new situations. This is how you can use it in a resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when you had to quickly adjust to something new, maybe learning a new subject, or moving to a new city for your college, or handling an unexpected group project challenge. You might describe it like this. During my final year, our professor changed the project requirements at the last minute. I adapted quickly by restructuring our work and ensuring my team still met the deadline successfully. Let's understand how to use them effectively in both your resume and interview. To use it in your resume, be concise and impactful. In a resume, hiring managers quickly scan through applications, so your descriptions should be short, direct, and strong. To use it in your interview, explain with context and example. In an interview, employers prefer real examples over just words. Instead of simply stating, for example, I'm adaptable, support it with a short story or scenario that demonstrates your adaptability. Next word is collaborative. Instead of saying, I work well in a team, say, I am collaborative. Collaboration means working effectively with others to achieve a common goal. This is how you can use it in a resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when teamwork helped you succeed, maybe in a college project, or a club, or an internship. You could say, in my final year project, I worked collaboratively with a diverse team to develop a mobile app. By sharing ideas and distributing tasks effectively, we completed the project ahead of schedule and received top grades. Third word is innovative. Instead of saying I solve problems, say I am innovative. Innovation means coming up with new ideas and improving existing processes. This is how you can use it in a resume. When you're sharing this in your interview, think of a situation where you introduced a new idea or found a better way to complete a task. You could say, in my college robotic competition, I showed innovation by redesigning a component that made a robot move faster. This small improvement helped us win first place. Next word is resilient. Instead of saying I handle stress well, say I am resilient. Resilience is the ability to stay strong and motivated even when things get tough. This is how you can use it in a resume. When you're sharing it in your interview, think about a time when you faced a challenge and didn't give up. You might say something like, during my internship, I showed resilience by handling a task outside my expertise. Instead of feeling discouraged, I researched, learned the required skills, and successfully completed the project. Next word is strategic. Instead of saying I plan well, say I am strategic. Being strategic means thinking ahead and making smart decisions. This is how you can use it in a resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when you planned something carefully to achieve success. You could say, while organizing my college fest, I applied strategic thinking by planning the event schedule carefully to avoid overlap between major activities, ensuring maximum participation. Sixth word is proactive. Instead of saying I solve problems, say I am proactive. Being proactive means taking initiative rather than waiting for instructions. This is how you can mention in your resume. If you're using this in your interview, think about a time when you took action before being asked. You might say, in my internship, I was proactive when I noticed the company's social media was inactive. Without being asked, I researched and suggested content ideas which my manager appreciated and implemented. Next word is meticulous. Instead of saying I pay attention to details, say I am meticulous. Being meticulous means paying close attention to details and ensuring accuracy. This is how you can mention in your resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when your attention to detail helped you avoid mistakes or improve quality. You might say something like, during my final year project, I was meticulous in double checking every calculation in our data analysis. This attention to detail helped us avoid errors and secure high marks. Next word is versatile. Instead of saying I can do many things, say I am versatile. Being versatile means being able to handle different roles, tasks, or challenges. This is how you can mention in your resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when you successfully managed different tasks. You might describe it like this. In college, I balanced academics, extracurricular activities, and internships. My versatility helped me manage multiple responsibilities effectively without compromising on quality. Ninth word is resourceful. Instead of saying I solve problems creatively, say I am resourceful. Being resourceful means finding smart solutions using the available resources. This is how you can use it in your resume. When you're using this word in your interview, think about a time when you found a solution despite having limited resources. You might describe it like this. During my college event, we had a tight budget for decorations. I was resourceful and repurposed materials from previous events, which helped us create a great setup without extra costs. Next word is accountable. Instead of saying I take responsibility for my work, say I am accountable. Being accountable means taking full responsibility for your actions and ensuring tasks are completed. This is how you can use it in your resume. When using this in your interview, think about a time when you took responsibility for something important. You might say, in my group project, a teammate was unable to complete their part at the last minute. I took accountability by stepping in, finishing the work on time, and ensuring we submitted a quality project. Next word is empathetic. Instead of saying I get along with people, say I am empathetic. Being empathetic means understanding and considering others' feelings and perspectives. This is how you can use it in your resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when you showed understanding and support for someone. You could say, as the class representative, I noticed a classmate struggling with coursework. I was empathetic and helped them by sharing my notes and study tips, which improved their performance. Next word is persuasive. Instead of saying I am good at convincing people, say I am persuasive. Being persuasive means effectively communicating ideas to influence or convince others. This is how you can refer in your resume. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when you convinced someone to take action. You could say, during my internship, I was persuasive in convincing my team to adopt a more efficient workflow which reduced project completion time by 20%. Last word is decisive. Instead of saying I make decisions quickly, say I'm decisive. It means you can make quick and confident decisions even under pressure. Say it in your resume like this. When sharing this in your interview, think about a time when you made an important decision quickly. You could say, during my college fest, a last minute venue change was needed. I was decisive and quickly coordinated with the team to finalize a new location, ensuring the event went smoothly. Try replacing simple phrases with these words and see the difference.